Hello. Welcome to Sunny Bites Restaurant. Would you like a table for one?
Yes, just one, please.
Okay. This way, please. Here is your table. Please have a seat. Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please.
Sure. I'll be right back. Here is your water. Are you ready to order?
I'm still looking at the menu. Can you help me?
Of course. Our best dish is the chicken burger. It comes with fries. It's very tasty.
Okay, I'll take one chicken burger with fries.
Would you like anything extra on the burger? Cheese or tomato?
Yes, please add cheese.
No problem. Would you like a drink with your meal?
Yes, can I have a small cola?
Sure. So, one chicken burger with cheese, fries, and a small cola. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. I'll bring your food in a few minutes. Please wait. Here is your meal. Chicken burger with cheese, fries, and your cola.
Wow, it looks good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. How is your food?
It's very good. The burger is delicious.
I'm happy to hear that. Would you like some dessert?
Yes. What do you have?
We have chocolate cake, ice cream, and fruit salad.
I'll have a small chocolate cake, please.
Okay, I'll bring it right now. Here is your chocolate cake.
Thank you. It looks yummy.
Enjoy. Would you like anything else?
No, I'm full. Just the bill, please.
Sure, I'll bring it. Here is your bill. You can pay with cash or card.
I'll pay with my card.
Okay, thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. The food was great.
I'm glad you liked it. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.